Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is coconut cookies, and yes, I'm going to make it with just 4 ingredients. So let's see what are the ingredients. For this delicious coconut cookies, we need 1 cup of coconut. This is not sweetened, so this is just simple unsweetened 1 cup of coconut. This is 6 dates. I'm not using any sugar, so this is very healthy. So 6 dates, then 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Again, this item is optional. If you do not want vanilla extract, that's totally fine. But these are the only 3 ingredients we need for these cookies. The seeds of these dates, putting it in the grinder, and also going to add 1 egg. Right, so this is almost half a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and that's the puree of egg and dates. So I'm going to mix this puree with the shredded coconut here, the dry coconut. I'll mix that. Preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Alright, so after mixing, this is how it looks. I just made like a lime size of the cookie I made. Shape and size is up to you, but I like the small bites, so that's that. So let's make, and this is the ball. I'm going to just flatten it out. Once you make this round ball, just try to cover all the cracks and just flatten it out a little bit like that. So that's the cookie size, small bite size, and this is gluten-free and sugar-free, guys. So this is super healthy and very flavorful. This coconut and vanilla, that taste is amazing. Right, so my 11 cookies are ready in that 1 cup of shredded coconut. And then look at the beep. You just heard the beep. My oven is set for 350 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna place this cookie sheet in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. See, they are slightly puffing up. Look at that. And it's smelling so aromatic. Oh my god, this coconut and vanilla flavor. This is all over my house. My cookies are ready after about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna keep it to cool it off and then enjoy. So did you see how simple that was? I have used just dates and shredded coconut, and there is no sugar, there is no butter, there is no oil. Such a healthy and delicious recipe. As you have seen, this is so easy to make, so I'm sure you're gonna like it. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and thank you for watching this recipe. See you next time. Bye.